Hello creators! In today's video we're going to be looking at how you can fade out text or stickers in Movavi Video Editor Plus. When you add a regular image to your video project, it's really easy to double click it and fade out with this tool. But when you use it for text, so if I have any of these text effects, when I try to do that, it's not available. There's not the option to do that fade out. But you can pretty quickly go here to these four squares, and then you're just going to go to the animation and easy animations, and then we're just going to scroll down and you're going to grab this fade out. This also works for a fade in, and I can just drag it at the end of the clip here, and it will make that animation now fade out. You can do it, like I said, at the beginning with a fade in, and you can adjust how long the fade in or out lasts by moving these points. This also works on any of the stickers in the program, the effects, all of the things in these two tabs here, the text or the titles and then the stickers. So if I want this sticker to fade out, then I'll just go again to that easy and drag it down just like we did before. You can also use this technique on any of your overlays. If you, for some reason, don't want to use the ability here in the clip properties, maybe you want it longer than 10 seconds for some reason, or you just want to be able to adjust it and visually see it down here next to your other item. So you can do that same easy animation trick on anything except for your audio down on this track down here. That's it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.